What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a mid fade on my boy, so stay tuned. My client usually gets a mullet, but now we're doing a mid fade, so we're gonna be cutting the bulk at the back. So we're starting off by contouring our first guideline to his head shape with our Gold FX. I like to use the comb to make sure the hair feeds into the trimmer. Now that we're done creating our first guideline, we can move on to the no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. To remove your initial guideline, using the lever all the way closed and midway will help you. Using the one guard all the way open, we're going to be creating our third guideline. With this same guard, we're going to use the lever to soften up the line and get it ready for the half guard. Now that the line is soft enough with the one guard, we can move on to the half guard and erase the line completely. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated, man. Thank you. Now we're moving on to our two guard all the way open, and we're using the comb to feed the hair into the clipper. Once we're done setting in the guideline, we're gonna then use the lever to soften up the line and get it ready for the 1.5 guard. Now that the line is soft enough, we can move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Moving on to our 3 guard all the way open, this guard is going to help us blend into the bulk. Remember to use the comb to feed the hair into the clipper. Now we're moving on to our clipper over comb method. When you see the cutting blade going vertically, I'm blending, and when you see the blade cutting sideways, horizontally, I'm debulking. Now when I'm lining up my C-cups, I always start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch. Remember to use your corners and make sure the hair feeds into the trimmer. Always remember to detail after lining up because it reveals lines. We're using our previous guards like the half guard and the one guard all the way open to detail and remove some dark lines that I see. Alright, now we're here on the left side and we're gonna again start at the bottom and work our way to the top arch using our corners. Moving on to the back side of the fade, we're starting off with our no guard all the way open, creating our second guideline. You're gonna then use the lever to soften up the line, all the way closed and midway. Now we're moving on to the one guard all the way open, creating our third guideline. With this same guard, you're going to use the lever to soften up the line and get it ready for the half guard. Now you're going to use the half guard to erase the line completely. Remember, you are near the occipital bone, so you want to add some extra detail. Now we're using the 2 guard all the way open, getting ready for the 1.5 guard. We are blending into the calic area, so you want to make sure you're very careful and you take your time. Moving on to the 1.5 guard, we're attacking the occipital bone and making sure it's as light as possible. Sometimes after using the 1.5 guard and the lever, there's still a faint line, so using your 1 guard all the way open and its corners to help you remove that line is best. Moving on to our clipper over comb method, we're going to grab the hair with the comb and then vertically blend or horizontally debulk the hair. Remember to always use your previous guard to detail. Right here I'm using the 1 guard all the way open, then I'm moving on to the 2 guard all the way open. Now we're gonna prep the lineup. First we're gonna comb all the hair into place, clip it up, and then comb all the baby hairs down. Now we're gonna grab our Gold FX and start off in the middle, working our way to the sides. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, leave a comment down below if you made it this far into the video. I'm definitely gonna reply to it. Thank you. Now we're gonna move on to our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, and we're gonna make them as crispy as possible. Make sure to use shave gel and stretch the skin. Also, keep the blade at a 45-degree angle.